Now we're going to talk about the notes low B, A and G. I'm going to cover them in this one DVD, but I think you should split the DVD up and read the instructions carefully and do the exercises separately. We'll start by looking at the hand position. Now, as with the left hand, it's important that the right hand is in the correct position. It's very easy when you first start playing the clarinet to have your right hand fingers coming up the clarinet like this. Now if you do that and you go to play B, you'll very well hit the wrong hole. This is particularly true of young children or people with small hands. They often find that when they go to play B, instead of hitting the middle hole, which is where your finger's supposed to go like so, the hand comes up a little bit and you end up hitting the upper hole up here, which gives the wrong note. We want to get the middle hole with the middle finger. Notice also, I'm not holding my fingers miles up in the air. Try to keep your fingers above the keys. When I'm actually playing fluently, you'd hardly see any finger movement at all, just the fingers going up and down like this. So, C to B goes like that. So, I'll play exercise 2, the serenade, and let you hear that played and watch my finger movement as I go up and down. Okay, I'll have a little practice at that and then start the DVD again and you can have a look at fingering A and G. Now moving on to A, from the note B, we'll notice we're covering the middle hole, then we add the first finger of the right hand onto the top hole here. And that gives us the note A. Then to get the note G, we add the third finger down onto the bottom hole. Now, this is where problems often start occurring, particularly with small hands. It's very important that your fingers completely seal the holes. What I often find is when people go to try and play G, maybe some of the left hand fingers move, or this finger moves, or this finger moves up slightly, and the notes don't sound properly. So the best way to practice this is in front of the mirror again. Get a clear view of what your fingers are doing. Make sure all the fingers in the left hand are sealing the left hand holes, and then add one finger at a time and make sure again that your fingers are sealing the holes properly. And that will give you the bottom G. Now I'll demonstrate the bottom G on exercise 7. Here we're starting on the low G, so it's very important all your fingers are covering the holes properly. Again, notice the way my fingers just move up and down, just enough to release the hole, not all the way up in the air.